Did you know you can record videos on your iPhone with the screen completely off? Yes, the camera keeps recording even though your iPhone looks locked. Only about maybe 5 or 10, I believe, of iPhone users know this hidden trick. Let me show you how to enable this secret mode. It's perfect for saving battery, recording discreetly, or just capturing something without the bright screen. For this, open the settings, go to Accessibility, then scroll all the way down. Tap Accessibility shortcut, then choose VoiceOver. That's all you need to set up. Now comes the trick. Now open your camera app and switch to video mode. Now triple press the side button to enable VoiceOver. This unlocks the hidden gestures. Step 2, tap once on the record button to select it. Then tap twice quickly to start recording. With VoiceOver, double tap activates whatever is selected. Step 3 is now to turn the screen completely off. Triple tap the screen using 3 fingers. The display will go totally black, just like the phone is locked, but the video is still recording in the background. To wake the screen again, simply triple tap with 3 fingers once more. You have 2 ways to stop recording. Option 1, double tap the record button again. Option 2, triple press the side button to disable VoiceOver and stop everything. That's it. The video gets saved normally in your Photos app. And that's one of the craziest hidden features on the iPhone, recording video with your screen completely off. Almost nobody knows about this trick. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this tip with your friends. More hidden iPhone gems coming soon.